Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV. Today, we're touring the 2026 Forest River RV, Rockwood Ultra Lite 2608BS. Outside, check out the exterior. With handy storage compartments. Stepping inside, the kitchen table converts to a bed for extra sleeping space. Followed by comfy reclining chairs, the TV sits above a cozy fireplace. Then the kitchen cabinet area next to the sink offers tons of storage, plus microwave, oven, and fridge to keep meals simple and fresh. A storage area by the front door keeps things organized, leading to the restroom with sink and storage, full shower and toilet. In the bedroom, a giant storage cabinet with hanging room for clothes stands across from the comfortable bed. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.